And welcome back. The sun is rising this morning as we look ahead towards Monaco right now. Not much cloud cover just yet, but the key word there is yet, because we have more clouds off toward the west and some precipitation now will be moving in too, with rain, and along with that some gusty winds and thunderstorms on the way soon. With the system that's starting to get its act together, a good part of the Midwest will see severe weather today, while other areas will see snow in the Dakotas. Could see maybe up to multiple feet of snow, 2 feet or more in some spots. So, but for us, it's thunderstorms we'll have to watch out for with this system right here that continues to track off towards the east, but doesn't feel like that this morning. We have temperatures that are in the middle to upper 20s, even a few lower 30s out there, so you'll notice the frost on your windshield this morning. But before that and after that, though, the gusty winds will begin to pick up again. We had gusts up to 40 miles per hour yesterday, and we'll do that again today, especially during the afternoon period. At about 3 to 4 p.m., things will start to get going yet again. Continuing through the overnight period as the storms move in, we'll calm down a little bit as we head towards tomorrow, but still a few storms not out of the question. Increasing clouds today, so any sunshine we see this morning will be short-lived. By about 4 to 5 p.m., the storms start to get going, and even some rain showers and a few rounds of thunderstorms by about that 4 to 5 p.m. frame. By overnight tonight, though, is when the action starts to get going with about 11 o'clock or so. Some of the storms may get a little loud, maybe some gusty winds, maybe a little bit of hail. We'll keep you posted as anything does develop, though. But once we get towards 4 a.m., the worst of it gets out of here. Maybe a few rain showers, maybe a few rumbles of thunder. Then once we get towards Thursday morning at around 1 a.m., this finally gets out of here. Maybe some snow on the back edge of it, depending on where the cold air sets up shop. But even then, not a whole lot expected there. We're just focused on mainly the storms that will be developing. We have that 1 out of 5 risk for a good part of the viewing area, though. So maybe some sporadic gusty winds, maybe some hail, but it's not very widespread. Chances not very strong. Farther to the south and west, though, with the yellow and that orangey shade right there, you see that's where the worst of it could possibly develop, though. So for us, nothing too ridiculous. And they shifted things to the east for Wednesday, so we might miss out on the worst of it for Wednesday. So that's some good news there, as temperatures eventually will cool off and make it feel like winter around here yet again. And a lot of rain now will be on the way, too. Up to an inch of rainfall possible. The ground's still pretty much frozen. We have some water in the soil now, so that will mean some flooding possible. So we'll have to watch that, too. But if there's any good news, again, not much snow to worry about with the system moving in. Hardly anything at best, less than a half an inch, and some even a goose egg, so nothing to get too worried about there. Middle 50s today, increasing clouds with the rain showers arriving late, but southeast one getting up to around 30 miles per hour. Later on tonight, 43 degrees, showers and thunderstorms likely, especially by around 11 p.m. or so. Some of those again could get a little loud with some gusty winds and a little bit of hail, and our east wind getting up to around 30 miles per hour. And your Northwoods Furniture and Mattress 7-day forecast. Some of those storms lingering into Wednesday. Temperatures in the upper 50s hit early, then cooling off during the afternoon period, eventually hitting the upper 20s for our overnight low. Thursday, middle 30s with a chance for a little bit of rain and snow. Finally drying out for Friday through the weekend, but still pretty cool temperatures in the 30s, and Easter temperatures in the 40s.